All right, so this is the video of the ESP32S3, which is the model that we're going to use, working with the touchscreen. So you can see it displays video, and also it can recognize like gestures. So I think we're in a good place with that.
This is the accelerometer for StepQuest. We've chosen the MPU6050, which has an accelerometer, a gyroscope, and a temperature sensor. For our project, we're focused on the accelerometer, which we'll be using to implement a step algorithm. If we view the serial monitor, we can see the acceleration in X, Y, and Z axis. We can also see an amplitude. The X, Y should be 0, and Z should be 9.8. There is a bit of drift, but this is expected for any given accelerometer and can be easily accounted for. If I begin to move the accelerometer in a step-like motion, we see the X, Y, and Z values are all reasonable, and the amplitude moves up and down in a peak-like fashion. For the step algorithm, we'll be detecting a step whenever a certain threshold is crossed, which we have yet to determine. This is very promising for step algorithm and for StepQuest.
Hi guys, so this is the prototype. It starts here from the battery to the charging controller to the switching regulator, and this is basically the output. And these two clips are measuring the output. It's currently now at 3.9, but I can adjust it to 5. So I'm just trying to figure out how to boost it up to 5 volts. But basically, it's working with the battery, and then I'm gonna connect it to the power source. So let me do that.
All right, you can see we have acceleration data updating on the screen, or rotation data rather. It's just labeled as acceleration, updates. And then over here, you can still see that we have the gestures from the screen coming in.